Hey everybody, Spartan here from SpartanTrading.com. I wanted to talk to you guys today about what a float is of a stock. Basics of stock trading, something that everyone should know, but let's talk about what the float is. The float is the amount of shares available to the public to be traded. So if you're looking at a stock and it's got a lower float, these things tend to move more sporadically. If there's a lot of demand, it's just the basics of economics. A lot of demand, small supply, price will increase quickly. If there's no demand, small amount of supply, price can decrease quickly as more supply hits the market. So when we look at stocks that have these small supplies, these low float stocks, these things tend to move very quickly on PR. So anything that a company will put out as, a positive PR statement for the company, it could be any sort of type of news. If it tends to get a little bit of traction, you can see these stocks move up quite a bit fairly quickly. This is an example of just a low float from last week, RBZ, that completed an offering, and we saw that there was a couple buyers that came in, and based off of this small volume, it pushed the price up from $4 to $27, and it halted a few times on the way up. When the float is this small in a company, a little bit of buying can cause this type of price action to occur. So it is just the law of supply and demand. Once that demand goes away, you tend to see more supply hit the market, like I said earlier, and the price will decrease fairly quickly. If you think about it like something that is rare, like a rare car, for instance, if there's only 2 or 3 of them in the world, they're going to be very expensive. Very expensive. Let's say then randomly some guy finds a factory or a warehouse full of 4,000 of these cars. What happens to the value? The value is going to decrease significantly because it's not so rare. The amount of demand for that car may be the same, but the amount of supply that hit the market has increased substantially, so the price will decrease. So that's kind of how the float works. There's stocks with bigger floats. You got the big caps, medium float companies. A lot of the biotech companies are just mid cap stocks. Low float stocks are quite popular among the day trading community, so that's why I wanted to talk about it and what they are. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little brief on that. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at Spartan@SpartanTrading.com. Happy to answer any questions you guys do have, and have a great day.